chainsaw man.
Patreon, and so that would be
Episode 3.
below that
I was gonna say for her getting into
Let's go.
From the
Remember Power made like a huge dress?
oh yeah, she came down there. Yeah. The devil
Power really did that.
Okay, so this was right after Power
It got
smashed
gory.
like that.
Oh, yeah. She freaking
Also, Makima scares me.
Yeah, with her blood art.
Look at Denji.
Really?
Yeah, nah, she
Still
loves
at
it.
work.
I just met this bitch.
He has
Yeah, she made like the biggest mess
You
possible.
have to control her.
It's not about that, it's about she took someone else's.
Oh, that explains why she made the weapon with the blood.
Works. Oh.
That's a pretty dope power.
Uh-oh.
Which means murder.
She got that bullshit.
So Power wants to be a devil hunter.
One of those. Damn.
Okay, so if I was the one that gave you the order, I tell you to also
She
make a
definitely not the
fucking
one,
mess.
bro. She gonna be right on my knee.
Lock her up.
He's just like, I'm gonna get rid of her.
Literally are just arguing like children.
Sure.
That
about
is
it.
100% a lie. She just lied.
One of us is lying.
I'm sorry.
Oh, wow. Not me reading.
Like this.
Oh, Power
I
looking
wanna see
real
Makima
scared of
do
her,
it.
yo.
Scared of Makima.
Got her to wine, bro.
She's
What
either
Makima
calm.
can do. 'Cause she's very intimidating.
Don't do it again.
Those eyes, bro.
Why does she have
Are you
eyes
gonna
like
bark?
that? Like,
Got
I have
on
a
lock.
theory.
Another
I
pet.
have a theory that maybe she's.
To go do.
She got like a dog too, bro. What?
Now, Makima must be strong as hell.
Those eyes, bro.
Say it.
It's like a shine
She's
dot.
entirely like not human, not devil.
Or anyone's
No.
boobs. Look at her.
You want one?
Yeah, man. Coughing up feels. Not tonight.
Dude, bro.
I think you gotta worry
This
about your
dude
work
is
right now and
crazy.
not dying.
Oh my gosh.
Be nice to
Oh
Katie.
no. Is she gonna... Don't kill the cat. I swear to God.
Remember, she's like, nothing but
very
cat.
tan.
It might be a move.
First chance she gets.
I keep forgetting he came from
Yeah.
a shitty background. Something so simple as like
No.
Yeah.
life changing.
Thank you.
That's all love.
Aw, she's
Nice
petting the
cats.
cat.
We know she dodged the first one. Well, not dodged, but didn't harm.
Oh, see, she likes cats.
She likes
like-
cats.
Yeah. That part. Love me, cats.
You see a lot of people relating to Power.
So she hates everything.
Yeah, right. Besides animals.
Cat?
Meowie.
So she had Meowie, then she had Pochita.
Oh, it's she says Yako. It's not a proper thing.
She's just trying to get her cat back.
Actually, I
Yeah,
have a
but you
dog
can
now.
understand it. You got
Hey, Denji.
Dogs are
My
different.
favorite cat is that big dog thing.
I like how it's just that dog, but then he's like,
He kept it real.
Maybe it's that cat that transformed.
So that's Power's motivation.
Exactly.
See?
ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやると言ったら
Oh, yeah. If you found me out.
Wow, that's so
Ready, bro. Hopefully, I don't know. I feel like this is about to be the most powerful.
Leave for Power? Oh.
Wow, he had to fill out paperwork to
like
sign her
Perfect.
out.
Ask to leave?
That makes sense.
ずっとここの中で退屈しとったわ
Wow.
That's tough.
I mean, I guess
She's a prisoner.
they're
She's like, what she did last episode, she shouldn't be out by
literally
herself.
prisoners.
I wonder if this
Mappa, how'd you drop the seed?
Yanko or Nyako
Howard.
is like an evil creature.
It's not a double.
He's the only one that can fight it.
There's no way.
This
It's
is
a little
legit.
kid.
This man.
Damn, I can't wait to see it.
It's gonna be more
This
careful.
sounds like an OP trap, bro.
悪魔飼っててさ、もう撫でることはできねえんだ
I can't
She's
let
inside
him
me.
pet my chest.
けど、俺はここで生きてる
No, but literally.
そりゃどちらが死んだってことじゃろ。
No, he's
死
literally
んだよ
in
うじゃ
there.
無じゃ。心の中にいるだのなんだの。
Technically, he's there.
No, like, the coolest thing I know. Is it
Yeah, like, no, we
We're talking about a
Like,
fusion.
the dog is literally.
Yeah.
When I literally
Self-comforting.
I'll let that slide.
right, yeah.
Oh, wow.
He got a show.
Right, he's trying to get.
They have
Trying to
such
get
The
something.
high tops are serious, though.
Carrying an axe.
They're like them old ass Supras, bro.
Someone on a bus.
Casually.
This man just got an axe next to him on a bus.
声が大きくなる
The American matter.
悪魔を軍事利用しているという噂も聞いた。
Oh.
願わくば日本の敵は悪魔だけでありたいものだが
Talking about America and
君に
Soviet
受けた部隊
using
の
devils for war.
The hunting dog.
期待に応えられそうなのが一匹。面白いのが一匹。
The interesting one is Denji.
最近拾った子犬です
Yup.
Denji.
A pup that I
君の
just
仕事
recently
は
picked
犬を
up.
育て使うこと
That's
That's what
unfortunate.
they're doing.
くれぐれも情は入れてくれ
Yeah, they're just literally
They're
weapons.
dispensable.
All the time.
I feel like
She
she
got some
has
other agenda though.
These are the people
Problems
that
of
So she is set, so they do have like set up to create this little team of like devils and fucking fiends and shit.
But they want her not to get giving reservoir, like, Denji and hers.
Already.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why she didn't say anything too.
Her, not the organization.
Facts.
This is gonna be very interesting. Okay, so this is
You
more
think
of
she's
the
trying to flip
story.
on them?
That's
That's
That's why, bro. It's
We don't
the
know.
military is using devils.
What if she's like in it?
That's when shit gets dangerous, yo.
And so she's just
Thinking about it though?
I
don't know if they are right.
I thought they said they are.
その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという
Oh.
Getting that
コー
energy.
ヒーは怖いイメージは全くないからコーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろうね
call me devil.
でも車の悪魔がいたらどうだろう
Playing devil.
タイヤに引かれて死ぬイメージがあるから強いかも
Knife devil, gun devil,
デンジ君は
chainsaw devil.
Chainsaws are scary.
scary.
面白いと思うけどな
Cause chainsaws.
Could you imagine that? A knife
Right.
devil, gun devil.
A lot of
They'll
power.
fear
One
him.
big pistol head.
Because they'll fear him and then he'll become even stronger and then he'll be a good asset for her.
でもあいつはダラダラと生き
I
たい
sense hostile takeover from her.
Right.
公安にはふさわしくないです
See, they
He's
have
a
an
bad
operation.
fit.
仲良くなれると思ってるまだガキなんですよ
Damn. Still mad about getting kicked in the nuts.
Man, he has a place where he can
Yeah, facts.
Helicopter devil. What's that in his hand?
I do think.
And she's on the team.
AC-130 devil.
And with him is like, bro, the idea of just having the devil work for him is
そこの家
crazy.
じゃん
Coloring of this animation.
あそこにニャーコと悪魔がいる
Unless by operation he just meant.
Denji don't know what he's getting himself into.
Oh, bro.
That was about to
Shut
be
up,
wild.
though.
There's a reason why she didn't go by that.
You see how much of a beast she is too.
Yeah. I think the problem with that still too is him losing
Yeah, see, hope I don't have
blood.
to
I was just about.
chainsaw.
おチェーンソー
Hey, but maybe she
Oh,
is
literally
convinced
about
that as
to
long as
say
she has help,
She doesn't know.
人間の冗談は悪い
Yes, because she keeps calling him a human. She doesn't know.
Believe it.
Probably just has a
I can't wait to see
He
actually does see him turn into a bunch of chainsaws.
人質にされんだろ
I love that he's like. I love how his the way he says it.
Yeah, exactly.
おーそういう設定だったわ
設定
Wait, is this cat?
Doesn't care.
言い間違い
Yeah, she lied.
She's a liar.
She's a liar.
No, she just said I like cats more than people.
lied about being
That
close
doesn't
to
mean
the
she's
cat.
a
Let's
cat.
go.
No, she misspoke about what to
Supposedly this is
expect
where
when he
it got
got
it.
there.
I'm not really there. Yep.
Oh!
Fuck.
Wow.
I had a feeling.
She just wanted to be freed?
No.
Damn, she knocked him out with a That's a tough fuck.
What time is she gonna try to feed
Nigga, she's paying the fuck out of him.
Sacrifice my guy.
What?
Happened so fast. Get your weight up.
Oh, I didn't even know.
Yeah.
Is my guess. She's just bring him out here to. I don't think he's
I thought I loved you. Wow. Setup.
Power has to like trade something for her cat back.
He's an offering.
Yep.
She just wanted to be free.
That.
Bad.
What the
Exchange for his hat.
Devil.
Devil and the bad devil.
Yeah,
My first meal in
No, literal bat. He's huge.
Power doesn't understand the chainsaw.
She literally thought he was capping about turning into chainsaw. That's funny.
Denji.
Well, what do you think he did? You don't know that.
Looks like a really buff bat.
Well, damn, nigga, it's about to be worse.
Oh, he's so gonna chainsaw.
Got me living like a hoe now.
Hey, my fault.
Fuck him up, Denji.
Son, you about to get brain.
Two and two.
Squeezing it.
Devil blood.
Oh, what do you got?
We're trying back though.
Oh, he doesn't like human blood.
But bats can't go out.
Where's Meowie?
I mean, this ain't no vampire.
That is Meowie.
No, he didn't want the devil.
Well, but bats disgusting. They can go out on the side.
Did he have
Why is she? Yeah, why is she doing
I know, but he's a bat. He's in the dark. So why is he out?
Damn.
Like,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, he might be right. He might be right about making friends with these
what?
devils.
Okay, I'm just saying. It didn't make sense to me. やはり人間は愚
Not
か
human, ma'am.
She
I'm
gonna
mad.
Yeah, man, you see the fucking
She doesn't get wild like that. She doesn't even know the reason why she didn't get
Yeah, I probably would have diced her up.
Now he's even real.
Or like.
Yo, this best leg on a fucking rampage.
Light. He is. That's not light.
Oh, the bat cave?
Nigga's gonna just sit
children.
Oh yeah, bad devil.
He's a devil.
約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ
She wants her cat back.
Oh, there is a
Oh,
cat.
yeah.
But she has to bring him a human in exchange for the cat. But I ate that nigga. Oh no, okay, there it goes.
Wow.
Yes, you get power.
That was so
We don't like power.
Oh wow.
Oh, this is a back.
Oh my god.
Back in the day,
Look at her.
when she was dirty.
She kills baby.
Why are we hearing these sad pet backstories?
She took care of it.
That's probably gonna piss her off, though.
Not the cat.
That was the plan.
Oh, she was feeding it to eat it. She said, let's put some meat on those bones before I feast. Yeah, sure.
Oh, maybe you're right.
Yeah, because she said
Yeah, she probably grew up
Yeah,
too.
she wants to
Oh, but she killed the cow.
She ate the cow.
Look at that.
Damn, she was really like a yeah, she was really like a wild animal. I love how they made her look dirty, the texture.
All in the ocean.
Did she kill the people who lived here?
Yeah, she
She killed the
unintentionally
farmers
became
who
a
took their house?
Why not?
She about to pop off.
Or did the bat?
It was that quick!
What kind of shit?
Oh my gosh. Oh, why not?
Came to her.
I feel like she could have was that.
Nah, she's about to black out on this one.
That's what happened. And
Yeah, I'm
she
surprised she didn't just
I mean, they did say she's a bad
Yeah, she's
person.
not bad. She, yeah.
mistake.
She just wanted to see her cat.
Yeah.
This music is
Kill him now!
Nah, it's
I
cool.
hope
It's
Denji's
crazy. I feel
gonna
like
help her.
both of them about to black out.
She took care of it.
Pochitaをもう撫でれない
Yeah, he can relate.
うな が分かったぞ。
I just felt this feeling now.
ひどい気分じゃな。
Yeah.
Tizerius.
Oh shit!
She just.
Yo!
What?
The wings came back.
That might have been the only shit that happened.
I'll go with the Milano chick. Don't die.
Denji says you might rip him open.
Probably tastes better. Open up his stomach.
Yeah, beefy man for the beef.
Come on, Denji. Come on.
Give me my
Holy shit.
Oh boy, he has his hand on it.
You about to Beyblade your dumbass.
Why do you always get texts in the middle of the
Y'all ready for that scribbly shit?
Yep.
How you want to draw this scene?
This is beautiful. He's literally about to. Yeah, he was missing an arm, but you're gonna be missing everything in the finish.
The legend.
I'm just gonna scribble scrabble. Yo, this shit's gonna be crazy.
I know that feeling, yeah.
I love this show. Oh boy.
Yo, the animation is looking crazy. Oh my
Paperwork done. Go home.
We break stuff all the time. She came up, she left that room, so yo, she would've been ass
At this point, oh god, you gotta get up.
Just walk.
Take off. Right.
Chainsaw talking.
He didn't even say it was gonna be a bad.
This is not CG when they draw him like that.
Bro, I feel like it was Cap.
You could have shared that one.
That's fucking close. That has to be.
There's a lot of
He's got to aim with precision.
messed you up in that one combo skill.
He's hitting off for something.
That blood meter.
She's in there with her cat. Get it back out.
That was some real power.
Freaking amazing.
Oh my god. This is
anime right here.
Good dodge.
Then he's gonna split this guy.
Denji has those chainsaws. He seems to
Yeah, I'm gonna start attacking them then.
Let me get one.
Broke off the chains. Oh, you worried about it.
Get the 8 inside.
I didn't know he was this strong, yo.
Wait, what?
I just want to grab those.
Bro, I was trying to say. Zero regard. Oh my god.
Holy shit!
website broke down. I thought that they were having issues. Thankfully, this
damn. Cigarettes.
Bruh, it ain't sweet, ain't no sugar in this shit.
This is from the trailer, I think. We get to see it like.
Dog, that's.
let's go, Denji. Look at him. Yo, I love scared.
Let's go,
It's always like this.
Oh, what is going on? Just set the soul.
A chainsaw!
Dude.
Colors for like all the
organs.
I just think it's something about the audience
Go Copperfield.
about